third method, solving algebraically. In this method, we have to convert into y equal kx form. Here y and x are two quantities. You have to name two quantities as y and x. K is a constant. K is always same in the problem. Then let's see an example. If the price of a 1 pen is 15 rupees, then the price of 2 pens is 30. 3 pens is 45. 4 pens is 60. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you can take x pens. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then let's take next number as x. 15, 30, 45, 60. Let's take next number. Next price is y. Next number of pens x. Next price is y. So when you divide price by number of pens, always that is a constant. 15 divided by 1, 15. 30 divided by 2, it is also 15. 45 divided by 3, that is 15. 60 divided by 4, that is also 15. So that is called as a constant. When you divide one quantity by the other quantity, that means y divided by x, we got here this price as y, number of pens as x. When you divide y by x, always here we got 15. That means constant. Here this constant we name as k. So y over x is k. If we use cross multiplication, x go to here. Then y equal kx. In this, when we solving these problems, we have to use this y equal kx as an equation. Take y and x as two quantities and k as the constant. See this problem. If the price of 3 exercise books is 75 rupees, find the price of 5 such exercise books. So, price and number of books. So, number of books let's take as x. The price we can take as y. We have to use y equal kx equation. When we see the first statement, first part of the statement, then what is the value of y? Price is 75. Price is 75. We got price as y. Therefore, you can substitute 75 for y. This should be 75. Substitute 75 for y. And price of 3 exercise. Therefore, number of books is x. So, x is 3. Then, substitute in y equal kx. 75 equal k times x is 3. K into 3. 3k equal 75. 3k equal 75. If 3k equals 75, when you divide both sides by 3, you can get k equal 3k is equal 75, then k equal 25. Now you know the value of constant. Now Let's see the second half of the statement. Find the price of 5 such exercise books. 5. Then in the second part, number of pens, number of books is 5. X is 5. And from the previous part, we know K take 25. Now again, you can use this equation y equal kx, substitute 5 for the place of x, 25 for the place of k. Then y equal 25 into 5. Answer is 125. What is y here? Y means the price of exercise book. Find the price of 5 such exercise books. So what is the price of 5 exercise books? 125 rupees. Let's see this problem. If the price of 3 shirts is 1200, find the price of 5 shirts. 3 shirts, price is 1200. 5 shirts. So you can take number of shirts as x, the price as y. Therefore, here x is 3. X is 3. 3 shirts. Therefore, x is 3. Price is 1200. Therefore, y is 1200. Now, let's write this equation and substitute. Y equal kx. Y is 1200. X is 3. So, 1200 equal k times 3. 3k equal 1200. When you divide both sides by 3, k equal 400. K equals 400. Therefore, in the next part, x is 5. The value of k, we got that is 400. And here the x value is 5. Now substitute x equal 5 and k equal 400 in y equal kx equation. Then y equal 400 times 5. 400 multiplied by 5. That is 2000. So find the price of x shirts. What is the price of 5 shirts? Price of 5 shirts is 2000 rupees. Foreign currency. Every country has its own currency unit. Do you know the currency unit of Sri Lanka? Sri Lankan rupees. So what are the currency units of other countries? Have you heard dollar, yen? Different countries have different currency units. The rate of conversion of currency of one country to another country, that varies depending on the time also. According to the season, that varies. The currency unit used in Sri Lanka is Sri Lankan rupees. Here in our textbook, they have given a table which was published on 2017. So what are the exchange rates in 2017? US dollar, United States dollar, if we have a dollar, that is equal to 151 and 20 cents in Sri Lanka. England sterling pound is equal to 185 rupees and 90 cents of Sri Lankan rupees. That way, different currency units can be converted into Sri Lankan rupees. We refer that table, but that values are different when we compare to today. But when we solving problems in exercise, we compare that table. We refer that table. According to that table, exchange rate is 151 for an American dollar. That means 1 American dollar equal to 151 rupees. How many Sri Lankan rupees will a person who convert $50 will receive? Now you know $1 is 151. You can use unitary method here. 1 value of 1 is 151. When we know the value of 1, we can find any value. So 50 is 151 multiplied by 50. 151 multiplied by 50, 7,550. Therefore, the person will receive 7,550 rupees instead of 50 American dollars. Let's see this example. A person visiting England converted 74,000 rupees into sterling pounds on a day when the exchange rate was 185 for sterling pound. That means if we have 1 sterling pound, that is equal to 185 rupees. So how many sterling pounds did he receive? He has 74,000 rupees. 185 rupees equal to 1 sterling pound. 185 rupees equal to 1 sterling pound. Then we want 74,000 rupees. Before getting 74,000 rupees, if we know 185 rupees, using that you can find 1 rupee. 185 rupees, you know 1 sterling pound. Then how to find 1 rupee? 185 rupees equal to 1 sterling pound. Then you want 1 rupee. So you have to divide both sides by 185. So when you divide this side by 185, 1. Other side 1 over 185. That means 1 rupee equal to 1 over 185 sterling pounds. 1 rupee equal to 1 over 185 sterling pounds. Then you have to find 74,000 rupees. For 1 rupee this one. Then 74,000 1 this amount, then 74,000 1 over 185 multiplied by 74,000. You can simplify this. When you simplify this, answer is 400 sterling pounds. Let's see this problem in the exercise. If the monthly salary of a person working in a foreign country is 1,500 American dollars, what is his salary in Sri Lankan rupees? 1,500 American dollars. Now you have to refer the table. Refer the table in textbook. According to the table, $1 equal to 151 rupees. Now you want to find $1,500. So you can use the unitary method here. If you know the value of 1, to get the other value, you have to multiply that amount by given value. Multiply 151 by 1,500. When you multiply, the answer is 226,500. 226,500. Therefore, the person will receive 226,500 rupees. Let's see this problem. How many Singapore dollars are received when ready-made garments worth 600,880 are exported from Sri Lanka to Singapore? Now again refer the table. You will see 1 Singapore dollar equal to 107 rupees. So 107 rupees equal to 1 Singapore dollar. Now you can use unitary method. If you know 107 rupees equal to 1 Singapore dollar, then you want to get 1 rupee. To get 1, you have to divide by 107. Divide both sides by 107. One Singapore dollar is 107 rupees. Then you have to get 1 rupee. How to get 1 rupee? 107 rupees equal to $1. Then 1 rupee, to get that you have to divide by 107. 107 divided by 107, that is 1. So 1 rupee equal to 1 over 107 Singapore dollars. 1 rupee equal to 1 over 107 Singapore dollars. Now using unitary method, you can find 600,880 rupees in dollars. 1 over 107 multiplied by this amount, 600,880. When you simplify that, you will see answer is 5,615.7 Singapore dollars. Thanks for watching the video.